Good day, and this time I'll show you how to mate using bishop and knight, and this is called the W maneuver. Okay, let's start it with knight f7 check and a tempo of bishop to g6 and prevent the king from going back to b8 with bishop h7. Then knight to e5, preventing the king to escape. Now here we have two options, king to d8 and king to c8. W maneuver will only take effect if the king goes to c8. Then let's proceed with W maneuver with knight to d7, then king to e6, then king to d6, and a bishop check with bishop to g6, tempo with a bishop, then knight to c5, we just continue with the W maneuver with knight to b7, then king to c6, king to b6, and a bishop to e6, and tempo with bishop to d7, and knight to c5, and this time it's already only two moves with knight to a6 check and bishop to c6 mate. That's it, and thank you for watching.